This is Mrs. Robertson, and today we are going to do Lesson 2, Median and Mode from Chapter 11, located on page 317. Yesterday we had a wonderful time doing mean, and today we're going to add the other two M words, median and mode. All right, so measures of center. What does the word mean, median, and mode represent? Well, I'm just going to show you my answer book, and you can just write it down. Mean is like the average. Median, let's just put mean is the average. And what do? You add them and divide. Add all numbers. That's my shortcut for numbers. Divide by the number of numbers. Median is the middle number. Now, you have to put them in order from little to big, but the median is the middle number. When you look at the word median, the D sticks up in the middle. It just sort of reminds you, oh, middle number. Median has the D in the middle. It looks like middle number. But remember, put them in numerical order first. You must put in numerical order. That means in order from little to big. First. And then we have the mode. Who knows what the mode is? It's the number that occurs the most. Sometimes you can have more than one mode, and sometimes you don't have any modes. Okay? Now, we're running a little short on time because we put all of our answers into Mastery Connect today. We're going to skip the real world link and go on to page 818. And here they give you the definitions from the book. The median of a list of values is the value appearing at the center of a sorted version. Here they're using the word sorted version of the list, of the mean of the two central, the mean of the two central values. If the list contains an even number of values, you add them together and divide by 2. You add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2. The mode is the number that occurs the most often. Well, let's look at this example here. First, you put them in order from little to big, and they did. 12 is your smallest, 44 is your biggest. What is your middle number? 28. See how they did that? Mode is 18. There are two 18s. The others all occur once, so the mode is 18. Any questions? Now look at number 2, Diana. Here she has 7 test scores. Order the data from least to greatest. All right, kids, let's put these in order from little to big. Yeah.
So on median, what if it's an even number and it doesn't have a middle?
You add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2, and that'll be your median. Let's see how many middle numbers this one has. So our smallest value is what? 85, 88. Then it goes to 2 93s. After the 93s, it goes to a 94. After the 94,
No, it's 90 and then 93.
oh, I didn't see the 90. My reading glasses broke, kids, and I forgot my other ones, so I'm going to need your help. 90, 93, 93, then a 94. What's after the 94?
97.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I see the 90, 2 93s, a 94, and a 97. All right, I do appreciate your assistance in writing these numbers down. Now, this one, we have one middle number. Yeah, it's 93. Circle the number in the center. This is the median. Circle the most frequently occurred numbers. Well, here it is also 93, isn't it? There are two 93s. So that's the mode. All right, so the median is 93 and our mode is 93. Let's do letter A. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's going to have one middle number. We're going to go ahead and practice doing one where we don't have an odd number, where we have an even number. Let's go to, 3 and 4. Let's go to number 3. Find the median and mode of the temperatures displayed in this graph. Okay, so we're putting them in order from little to big. You have 55 and 8/10, 58 and 2/10, 64 and 4/10, and you end with 71 and 2/10. Any questions on that? Then we have two middle numbers. See how we have two of them in the middle? So what did they do? They add them together and divide by 2. Yes, you can use a calculator on this lesson. When you divide 122 and 6/10 by 2, you get 61 and 3/10. Now check. Does that make sense? Would that be in between these two numbers? Yes. Oftentimes, kids, when you have a decimal, sometimes my students have forgotten to put the decimal point in, so make sure you do when there is a decimal. This one, there is no mode. None of them occur the most. Any questions on that? Now let's look at number 4's data set. Here we have, they're keeping track of precipitation in the different states. So the smallest number is 32 and 8/10, 42 and 2/10, 42 and 2/10. You can see they've got it all written down. We have two middle numbers. They add them together, divide by 2. So the median is 49 and 8/10, and the mode is 42 and 2/10. Any questions? All right, let's do letter B, and then we'll see, are they the same? No, they're different. Find the median and mode of the costs in the table. So this is about costs for backpacks, and this is costs for juice. So let's do B and C. So the answer for part B, you have two middle numbers. I had to make mine go up. There were so many of them. I added those together, divided by 2, and I have 27.67. Did you get 27.67? And in this one, there is no mode. All right, now for this one, I need to find the median and the mode. Here, my median and on this one, 1, 2, it looks like the mode is $2.87. That one's easy because there are two of them. And when I put these in order, 1.65, $1.97, then it's 240, oh no, 235, 245, 249. Yeah, I'm going to have to go up on this one too. 2 287s and 1,375. So our middle number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be in between $2.45 and $2.49. Kids, what's in between those two? $2.47. Some of you might have been able to even eyeball that one to figure it out. And then it says, find and compare the medians and the modes. Well, the median for the backpacks is $25 more and 20 cents more than the median for juice. There's no mode in the backpacks, but the juice does have a mode. That's about all we could say, okay? Oh, maybe they wanted us just to compare it within, if you compared this within this problem here, the median is 40 cents less than the mode. So if they were just comparing it on that one, I think maybe that's what they wanted. Let's go to 820. In this one, describe the daily high temperatures using the measures of center. Well, You have to do the mean. They added them all together, divided by 7. That gave them 69 degrees. The median is 71. The mode is 71. All right, so what are we going to do for classwork and homework? Right now, you are going to do the guided practice. You're going to do 1 and 2. Okay, then on the next page, 821, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that'll be it. And I think you will probably be able to get all of these problems done. Are there any house problems on the next page? Do the guided practice. It's not hard. Ooh, we might do number 5. It's a house problem. I don't know if we'll have time today, but we might do that one next week. Okay, so do 1 and 2 on page 820. It doesn't take long to do. And 1 to 4 on 320 or 821. And if there's time, you can do number 5. But we're running just a little short of time, but you might be able to get these all finished. Okay? If you don't, we'll finish it up for bell work on Monday. No, there's not enough time to do that. So let's get busy. Yes, you may.